So this is the condo over here. So no neighbor to the left, no neighbor above you, and then you just have this one shared wall over here.
Wow.
Yeah, so all that balcony is yours, and then there's no unit looking directly into this condo.
Oh, that's great.
Hi, I'm Edwin Valois, and welcome to my newest listing, which is the entry-level floor plan called the Wrigley here in the Stadium Lofts. It's one bedroom, one bath, but then gives you all the conveniences you'd want in a high-density condo, including a balcony, white cabinets, wood floors, and then here's one of the best things about this. No neighbor up above, no neighbor to the side. Can you hit the fourth floor?
Yeah.
So this is Kathy's first time over at this listing.
Yes.
And then we'll be able to see us kind of behind the scenes, kind of moving staging around. And then Kathy's going to be making some recommendations where to put stuff. Because there's stuff that guys don't know.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know where to put pillows and stuff like that.
Can't wait to see it. It's going to be good.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So we're going to... So a lot of high-rise apartments. You'll see people. You did this. You lived in a high-rise apartment, right?
Yeah,
So that you guys had carts, right?
we did.
Yeah. So you'd have to bring a cart because you have to go up an elevator and all that.
Yes, the whole thing.
Yeah. Some people do that here, but then the cool thing about this unit, it's so close to the parking that you could probably just carry your groceries over.
That's true. Unless you do Costco.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, where they deliver it.
Right. Oh, that would be more ideal then.
So the cool thing about most units here is you'll get at least one parking space on the same floor. And then the trash chute is right here. Everyone has to throw away trash. So we could almost count the steps. We're right from the parking garage. And most people, they have to go all the way over there. This is the condo right here.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Do you notice something, Kathy? No neighbor. No neighbor on the side. So
Oh, wow.
It's a corner unit. Actually, we'll go around here just to
That's great.
kind of get an idea of it. So we're up on the fourth floor. I think Anaheim Stadium's that distance or in that direction. So this is the condo over here. So no neighbor to the left, no neighbor above you, and then you just have this one shared wall over here.
Wow.
Yeah, so all that balcony is yours, and then there's no unit looking directly into this condo.
Oh, that's great.
So I know it's your first time checking out this listing,
Yeah.
and of course I'm going to have Kathy give me some pointers where to put some plants and stuff like
Oh,
that.
wow.
Yeah, we're not fully staged. We're kind of 80% there. So the homeowner is already decluttered, and we've got the place professionally cleaned. But check out this kitchen. This is the builder's original counters, but then they only came in two colors. This color, and do you remember what?
Like a darker one?
The other one is just pure black.
Oh, yeah, no, this is a lot better.
Yeah. This is actually the more desired one. I think this one's aged better.
Right.
I think when the building first got released,
Okay.
everyone wanted black because that was kind of the rage during that time.
That makes sense.
Yeah, but good sized kitchen for a one bedroom place.
Oh, yeah, you could definitely do some hangouts with friends and even do maybe like a buffet style food area right here.
Yeah. Yeah, and then the amenities we always put on display over here.
Okay.
Includes high-speed internet, and then Kathy and I have other videos where we go through the pool and the weight
clubhouse.
room.
Yeah,
the clubhouse and such. But then this would be the dining area, obviously.
Good size.
Yeah. So what do you think on this? I'm thinking about going down to two place settings just to make this Simple?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, right now there's only 3 chairs anyhow, so
Yeah,
I
I
think
just noticed that.
I
Okay.
think going down to 2 would make
Yeah,
sense.
2 place settings,
Right.
complete with the spoon, fork, and napkin setup, and then the plate. And then over here, the homeowner already has nice furniture. It's got
Oh
good
yeah.
artwork here.
Oh, it's a good sized couch too,
Yeah.
and it fits well in the space.
And then with any Anaheim listing, I always have to have the historic book of Anaheim.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that's your signature.
Yeah. And this is the common hallway area. So that means if you're the loud kind of resident or you have people over, you really don't have to worry about making noise in this direction.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah. And then over here, we've got the balcony, but then it's not just any balcony because a lot of the Stadium Lofts units, their balcony faces either Catella or State College. So
Oh, it's like an inner.
they got all that traffic noise and
Oh
stuff
yeah.
like that. And then as soon as you open up that door, you'd hear a bunch of cars and trucks going by. This one's just, you could kind of hear
Yeah.
kind of hear the fountain in the background, right?
Oh yeah.
And then over in here, this is something that's, I wouldn't say unique, but then it is an added bonus about this property. It has its own tankless water heater.
Oh nice.
Some people might say big deal, but not all the units have their own water heater. Some of them have a shared water heater because they face Catella or State College, and they don't have these enclosed closets over here.
Oh yeah, that makes a difference.
And then we'll go over here. So Kathy's going to take us into the primary.
Yes, come over here. So here's a good sized primary. I definitely think that if you had a king size bed or even a queen, it would be fine in this space. And if you even put on your flat screen TV here, be a great little entertainment area. But here you can see the current client actually has a desk set up for an office, which is great too. And even with the space here with the desk, it doesn't feel tight at all, right?
It doesn't cram it, yeah.
Exactly. And you even have a side table here and a lamp in the corner. And then as you go through this hall.
Well, hang on a second. I have to ask Kathy,
What?
like a woman's opinion, because we don't have the bed stage yet.
Right, we don't have the bed.
I'm thinking about doing the 3 pillows.
I do think it would look better with a 3 pillow.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I do think so. Just because there's no headboard, and it'll give it more height to it, and it'll look more just staged and more put together.
Yeah, so I asked ChatGPT how to set up the pillows. And
What did they say?
It says 2 neutral pillows in the back,
Yeah.
right up. So the existing pillows that he has, they'll plop against the wall.
Oh, okay, straight up.
Yeah, and then put the 2 neutral pillows right up against them, and then
Okay.
1 color pillow.
Oh, pop of color?
In the front.
What color did they say?
It just said something with some color on
Okay.
it. But then since there's a red throw on
Yeah.
here, I'm thinking something with red in it.
Yeah, I mean something with red or even make a camel. That would a neutral.
Yeah. Of
would
course,
really
it's going to
fit
be
you.
one of those things. I'm going to find what they have at Ross and TJ Maxx.
I bet. Home goods for sure. So through this hallway, you actually have a closet here that opens up for the washer and dryer. What's nice is that it's large enough to get a full size washer and dryer. Here he has his Samsung, which is nice.
It's the front loading one.
It is a front loading too. So.
Usually those don't fit.
And it's
closets,
great.
yeah.
You even have space in the back as well. And, what's nice is that it is tucked away and it closes up nice. And then here on the left hand side, you do have a walk-in closet, which is really great.
Yeah,
Your right, my left.
Yeah, and this homeowner actually gave it the Closet World treatment, which really
Yes.
maximizes the closet.
I think
space.
so, because even you can actually like walk in, and here towards the left, you have a good size built in here where you can put your linens and towels, which can easily be tucked away. And here is nice because you can even put your long jackets as well. But I do think that this is a great space that
And they got
you do a
spots
lot.
for if you're a shoe person too.
Oh yeah, you could definitely put your sneakers on display. But nice. And you have-
Or heels. if you're
Or
a
heels,
woman.
yeah, absolutely. Both could go well. And then here it has a nice size bathroom. You do have the sliding door for your bathtub, which is great. And it does have built-in shelving, so it's great if you're going to do like a nice bubble bath and put all your beauty scrubs there. And then you even have these you know, in the wall, was it built in, would you say?
Yeah.
Right? To put more linen, but also if you had any like scented candles, you can store that here as well. And then you actually have your vanity, which is really nice. It has a nice touch. What do you think of this?
Yeah, nice big bowl. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. The color scheme is definitely, it has like a masculine feel. However, is it is cohesive, I would say, because even if you look at the detail here in the light switches as well, along with this cabinet over the toilet, it definitely all goes well together.
Yeah, and then the cabinets match the kitchen.
Exactly.
Even though I could tell that's not
And
the
the flooring.
exact countertop,
Right.
but
And then
it's
here,
close enough for me.
this double door, so this bathroom, actually is where your guests would go as well as where you would go, right? Because it's the one bed bathroom. But definitely has a privacy, so you don't have your guests going through your primary bedroom to get to the restroom. So it's a really nice sized area for everyone to use. Right. I'm Kathy Jimenez with MidRiseLiving.com. Be sure to check out our website for updated listings and lifestyle blogs.